If you guys like our video, for more video click the subscribe button below. And also tap on the bell icon. Thank you.
Hello guys, today I will show that how to buy something on the Amazon app. Type the product name that you want to buy. Here's all the products. Select your favorite product. I'm going to select this one. Click Add to Cart. And then go to your cart. Here you can change the quantity and then click Proceed to checkout. Here you can change the payment currency. Then click the payment method and add a new payment method. Then key in all your bank card details here and then click Add your card. Then click Place your order in. At last click Continue shopping on you're done. Click Main menu. Your account. Your order. Here are all the detail about you order. You can track or cancel items here. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe FmTv channel.